Hey guys, today we'll talk about how can you enable show reposts on your Bluesky app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, you just go here above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on content and media here, just click on it. You come to this list, it's going to show for you like this. You click here on following feed preferences, just click on it. You come here to show reposts, click in this sign. So like you see, this color show for us, let's make sure reposts enable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.